Yeah. Once again, good morning students. We are going to continue the integral exercise chapter 7, exercise 7.6. Question number 4 onwards. Yes. What is that? This is integral by parts. The integral by parts, you must use the letter I late. Why we are using I late? That means the given integral should be contains two functions. That kind of function: inverse, logarithmic, arithmetic, trigonometric, and exponential. So you should assign by integral by parts formula. You know that very well. U dv equal to uv minus integral v into du. Otherwise, integral in your NCERT book, it is also in NCERT. F of x g of x dx equal to, this is first function. What is that? F of x into integral g of x into dx minus integral, what is that? Integral g of x into dx into f dash of x into dx. This is one of the other formula when you are going to use NCERT. Okay, but we are interested to use this term only. Correct? So please listen, recall the formulas, integration, whatever it is. Now the solution of this given question. Solution. Student, when you want talk, please let I equal to, carefully listen student, integral x square into e power x dx. When you are going to see the same question in higher classes, look like engineering classes, there is the formula, Bernoulli's formula, not here. So here we are going to use only integral by parts. That means here use it the word I late. Correct? What is I late? Compare the first function. There is no inverse function. It is nothing. There is no logarithmic function. Okay. And then algebraic function exists. This is exists. This is the first function. Remaining to what? Second function. There is no exponential. Sorry. Here exponential. There is no trigonometric function. Correct? There is no trigonometric function. Only exponential function. Correct? So this is contained. Now you to take the value here. U, the first function, u equal to x square and u dash equal to anybody, that is du equal to, what is that? 2x into dx. Correct or not? Okay. And then integral dv equal to, second, what is remain? E power x into dx. What is integral of e power x? E power x. That is v equal to e power x. Now apply integral by parts formula. What is the integral by parts formula? Integral u dv equal to uv minus integral v into du. Correct? So write the value here. I equal to, what is I equal to? Equation 1. Yes, 1 become I equal to what kanna? uv. What is u value? X square. What is v value kanna? E power x minus integral v into e power x into, what is dx? D equal to what? 2x into dx. Student, any doubts? Now look at this, plus c. Now this is x square e power x plus 2 taken out, minus 2. Yes, here minus 2 taken outside, x into e power x dx plus c. Carefully listen student. Here finally we are going to get the answer. I equal to x square e power x minus 2 into I1. We may call equation number 2, or otherwise you can do continuously, no issue. Now here I equal to, now I1. What is I1 equal to kanna? Integral x into e power x dx. Correct? Here I forgot dx. Yes, e power x into dx minus 2 into I1. Yes, we may call equation number 2. Again apply, what is that? Integral by parts. Why? Why Kanna? Why we are applying again integral by parts? Because x dx. Correct? Now we are going to take u equal to x. That is du equal to dx or 1. That is equal to integral dv equal to integral of e power x into dx. That is v equal to e power x. Finally, I1 equal to integral, uv. What is uv, Kana? What is u? U equal to x, v equal to e power x minus integral v into e power x into here u dash equal to what? Equal to 1. Correct? That is equal to 1 into dx. And then finally, x into e power x minus e power x into dx. Isn't it? Now, what is the final answer? X e power x minus e power x plus c1. This is what? I1 value. So, what you are going to do next? Substitute I1 value in equation number 2. Yes, what is that? Now, substitute I1 value in I. What is I? I equal to x square e power x minus 2 into I1. What is I1, Kana? What just before we have found? X e power x minus e power x. Correct? So, it is x e power x minus e power x finally plus c. Now, taken inside 2 inside. X square e power x minus 2x e power x minus 2 into e power x plus c. This is the correct answer. Or otherwise, look at the each term having e power x. Correct? Now I am going to take e power x formally x square minus 2x minus 2 plus c. This is also correct answer. No problem. Is it correct? Yes. Now this is I. Question number what? What Kana? 4. Yes. What sir? Here yes, thank you. Plus 2. Yes, correct. Here taken a inside minus. Thank you. Yes. Now question number 4. What is the 4? Given. What is given, Kana? Let I equal to solution. Let I equal to integral x log x into dx. What word we are suggest you? I let. Correct? Compare each first function x. So log x, no inverse. Correct? L is log. Correct? What is log? Exists here. This is u. And then algebraic function exists. And then there is no trigonometry and exponential. What is suggestion here? Now u equal to, what is u equal to? First function log x. What is integral dv equal to second function? X into dx. Any doubt? So when you are got any function in terms of 2, you should use the word isolate. After that, each function should be compared with the isolate. Inverse, logarithmic, algebraic, trigonometry and exponential. Likewise here u equal to log x. What is du equal to the 1 by x into dx? Isn't it? Any doubt? Or otherwise, we can use the word u dash equal to 1 by x. No issue. Okay, wow. Here integral x. Integral, what is that? V equal to integral of x what Kana? X square by 2. Student, any doubt? Kana, any doubt? Yes. Now apply integral by parts. By formula. What is formula, Kana? Integral by parts. What is the formula? Integral u dv equal to uv minus integral v into du. Are you okay? Yes. What is finally here? That is equal to I equal to, what is u value kana? Log x, correct? dv, v equal to what? X squared by 2 minus integral v into x squared by 2 into, what is that? Du equal to, that is u dash equal to 1 by x into dx. Any doubt? This is du, correct? 1 by x into dx. What is finally here? Which one is cancelled? X square x is cancelled. What's remain? That is final answer x square by 2 into log x minus integral 1 by 2 taken outside. Yes, 1 by 2 taken outside. Yes, 1 by 2 into integral x into dx. That is finally plus c. Yes, that is x square by 2 log x minus 1 by 2 into this is integration x square by 2 plus c. Student, any doubt? Now finally x square by 2 log x minus 1 by 4 or x square by 4 plus c. This is the final answer. Any doubts? Any doubt kana? Yes, then we go next question. Question number 5. What is the fifth one? Find the interval value log 2x. Integral of log 2x. Already we have done it log x. It is log 2x. That is the difference. Okay, wow. Now let I equal to integral x into log 2x. The integral contains two functions. That time what I suggest you, use the word, what is the word kana? Ilate. Yes, what is ilate? There is no inverse function comparatively to, and then there is logarithmic function. This is first function. What is the remain? There is no trigonometric exponential. There is also algebraic function. That is second function. Any doubt, students? Now what we are going to take here, u equal to, or yes, here u equal to what karna? Log 2x. Anybody, what is the derivative of log 2x? Last bench. Don't say, what is the log 2x derivative karna? Kritika, what is that? Very good. U dash or du by dx equal to 1 by 2x into derivative. First logarithmic and then d by dx of 2x. Correct or not? Yes, what we are going to get? Sorry, 2 into 1, not 2x. Sorry, next one we need the step. Okay. Yes, that is 1 by 2x into 2 into 1. So what is going to cancel here? 2 cancel. What is the remaining? Yes, 1 by x. That is du by dx. And then what is d equal to gana? 1 by x into dx. Okay, wow. What is the second function? Integral dv. What is integral dv? What is integral dv kana? X into dx, correct? Then what is v equal to integral of x? X square by 2. Then what is final substitution here? By integral by parts formula. By integral by parts. What is that? Integral u dv equal to uv minus integral v into du. Yes, finally I equal to, what is u value? Log 2x into x square by 2 minus integral v into, what is v? X square by 2 into, what is du equal to? 1 by x into dx. Now look at this cancellation. X square cancel. What's the remaining integral here? I equal to 1 x square by 2 into log 2x minus 1 by 2 integral x into dx. Student, any doubt? Yeah, you can write plus because we already applied integral by parts, no problem. That is equal to I equal to x square by 2 into log 2x minus 1 by 2 into integration of x square, x equal to x square by 2 plus c. This is what? X square by 2 into log 2x minus x square by 4 plus c. Check it the answer. This is the final answer. Okay, ma? Yes. Any doubt, students? Next, we'll moving on. Question number 6. What is that 6? Yes. Already I done it. X into log x into log 2x. Now, x square into, when you got the variable x square, that time you should apply 2 times integral by parts. Okay, ma? Yes, now here also x square is x power is 2, which means we are going to apply integral by parts 2 times. Now solution, let I equal to integral x square into log x into dx. Now use the word I let. Yes, compare all the function. There is no inverse. There exists log. This is the first function or u, and remains there is algebraic function. These two are second function. There is no logarithmic as well as there is no trigonometric as well as exponential. Now what we are going to take here? Here u equal to log x, du equal to 1 by x into dx, correct? And second function integral dv equal to integral of x square dx. Student, any doubt? Now what is v? Integral of x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, correct? So now here x cube by 3. Apply the integral by parts. Apply IP, integral by parts. What is the formula? Integral u dv equal to u into uv minus integral v into du, correct? Therefore, finally, I equal to or equation number 1 becomes I equal to u. What is u, Kanna? Log x into what is v? X cube divided by 3 minus v into what? X cube by 3 into what is that? dv, Kanna? What is du? 1 by x into, I think I made mistake, correct? Yes, correct. That is du 1 by x into dx and v equal to x cube into dx. Yes or no? Yes. Yes, here x cancel, correct? What is remaining here finally? I equal to x cube divided by 3 into log x minus 1 by 3 constant taken outside x square dx. Okay, one? Yes, any doubts? Any mistake? There is x square. Any cancellation? U. What is u? Log x. D equal to 1 by x. V equal to, it's going to complete here, correct? Yes, that is equal to x cube by 3 into, I told you beginning it is 2 times, not because of log x, correct? So this is 1 by 3 into x cube by 3, correct? Plus c. Correct answer? Yes, that is I equal to finally x cube by 3 into log x minus, x cube by 9 plus c. Check it, can answer. Is it correct? What? Yes. Can we go question number 7? Question number 7. What is 7? Yes. Listen, student. Here we are going to see x into sine inverse, x into cos inverse, x into tan inverse, x divided by x into cos inverse of square root of x 1 minus x square, x into tan inverse of 1 plus x square, x into sine inverse of square root of 1 minus. These kind of sums are important. Or simply it is sine inverse of x, tan inverse of x, cos inverse of x. All sums should be the same model. You people are very eager because you are very expert in the derivative integration. They are asking question sine inverse of x dx. You people 1 by square root of 1 minus x square plus c. It is wrong because you don't know idea about integration derivative. What the teacher going to do? Easy correction, wrong, 0. Because they are asking integration. You have done it derivative. Please try to understand when they are asking the integration, any terms of sine inverse, tan inverse, cos inverse, you should apply integral by parts. Are you okay? So that's why I tell you. We saw so many papers. They are very brilliant. They have done so many sum correct, but this kind of sum they have made mistake. Okay. Yes, listen. Now we are going to see the solution of this kind of sum. Yes, let I equal to integral x into sine inverse of x into dx. How many functions are given? Integral. How many function? 2 function. That time, what is the word? I late. I am not late. You people are late. Correct? Yes. That is I. What is I, Kanna? Inverse. Inverse here. There exists inverse. Yes. This is first function. Remains are second function. There is no log. There is no trigonometry. No exponential. These two are second function. Correct? Now take here u equal to sine inverse of x. What is du by dx, Kanna? 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. Or du equal to 1 by square root of 1 minus x square into dx. Is it correct? Next, integral of dv equal to integral x into dx. V equal to x square by 2. Any doubts? Apply integral by parts. Apply integral by parts. What is that? Integral u dv. That is uv minus integral v into d. Yes. Now 1 becomes, that is, what is that? I equal to, what is u value, Kanna? Sine inverse of x into, sorry, what is that? V, x square by 2, correct? Minus integral v into x square by 2 into 1 by square root of 1 minus x square dx. Student, any doubts? Don't write, listen. Carefully, 1 minute listen, Kanna. 1 minute listen. Don't write. What is that? Here, I equal to x square by 2 into sine inverse of x minus 1 by 2 taken outside, x square divided by square root of 1 minus x square into dx. Carefully listen, students. There is no option to direct formula x square by We are unable to go substitution method, whatever it is. But we need to go some adjustment. I equal to x square by 2 into sine inverse of x minus 1 by 2 into I1. Equation number 2. Don't write listen means listen. Now here I1 equal to, what is I1 equal to? Integral x square divided by square root of 1 minus x square into dx. How do you integral? Anybody? We have done it so many problems previously. How you are going to do this integration? Look at the denominator, 1 minus x square. The numerator, only x square. That time I am going to take some adjustment. 1 minus 1 plus x square by square root of 1 minus x square dx. Student, any doubts? Any doubt kanna? What I am going to take? Add and subtract, correct? By 1. Where? In numerator. Any doubt, boys and girls? Yes. Look at this. I1 equal to integral minus 1 plus x square. Why we have taken minus 1? The denominator 1 minus x square. Okay. Divided by square root of 1 minus x square dx plus integral 1 by square root of 1 minus x square dx. Student, any doubts? Now look at this. Here 1 minus, here 1 minus x square, here minus 1 plus x square. X square should be need in the place of negative. What I am going to do? I am going to take minus outside. What we are going to take? Minus integral x square, 1 minus x square. 1 minus x square divided by square root of 1 minus x square dx plus anybody, any expert here? What is the formula of 1 by square root of 1 minus x square? Yes, who is that? Sine inverse of x. Thank you, Subiksha. Yes, that is a formula. Integral 1 by square root of 1 minus x square dx equal to sine inverse of x by a or x, correct? Plus c. Now here what is the answer? Yes, that is sine inverse of x plus c1. We are keep it. Okay. Now here carefully listen, student. Minus integral square root of 1 minus x square into square root of 1 minus x square divided by square root of 1 minus x square into dx plus sine inverse of x plus c1. Yes, look at this. First integration 1 minus x square root cancel, correct? What is the remaining? The remaining term here I equal to minus integral of square root of 1 minus x square dx plus sine inverse of x plus c1. Student, any doubt? So sorry to say this. Here we are not seeing the formula look like this. Next exercise onwards we are going to see that integration a square minus x square dx. Okay, it is one of the formula. Okay, the formula is here equal to x by 2 into square root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sine inverse of x plus c. That is the formula. Okay, hereafter we are going to see next exercise onwards, but here not exist. That's why I am written. Yes, the NCERT frame like that. Yes, finally what we are going to take? I equal to I1 equal to, what is I1, Kanna? What is I1? What is I1? Write the formula. X, here x equal to x, a equal to 1, correct? X by 2, which means here x by 2 into square root of 1 minus x square plus a square by 2, that is 1 square by 2 into sine inverse of x by 1 plus already exists the Sine inverse of x, correct? Yes, that is sine inverse of x plus c1. And then finally substitute I1 value in I, correct? That is equation number 2, correct? Correct Agana? What is equation number 2? X square by 2 into sine inverse of, what is that? X into minus 1 by 2 into I1. Yes. Then finally 2 becomes, what is that 2 becomes here? That is I equal to x square by 2 into sine inverse of x minus, correct? Isn't it? 1 by 2. That is 1 by 2 into I1. I think I forgot one sign. Here minus I forgot, correct? Yes, it is common. No problem. We will write here. I1 here is going to become minus into minus plus. Now I1 equal to minus of. Okay, wow? No problem. Yes, what is minus into minus plus? What is next? Minus into minus plus. Plus, what is that? X by 2 into given. What is given? Square root of 1 minus x square plus 1 by 2 into sine inverse of x plus already exists sine inverse I1, correct? Oh, sorry. Yes, inverse, no problem. That is plus C1. Student, any doubt? Now rewrite. This is correct answer. We need to simplify some terms, common terms, plus x by 4 into square root of 1 minus x square plus 1 by 4, correct? Sine inverse of x plus c. Now look at this, sine inverse common from both terms, correct? Now we are going to take commonly outside sine inverse. What is the final answer? Here x square by 2 plus 1 by 4 into sine inverse of x plus x by 4 into square root of 1 minus x square plus c. Otherwise 4 is LCM, correct? 1 by 4 taken outside. What is remain? X 2x square minus plus 1 into sine inverse of x plus, what is that? It is correct. 1 by 4 taken commonly all terms are only 2 terms here. Yes, x by 4 into square root of 1 minus x square plus. Here minus here where we forgot yes. What gonna minus? Oh, only this term. Yes, thank you. You are correct. Yes, here minus should be common, not common for all terms. Here only common for this term, correct? Here minus should be comes. Okay, wow, minus. Okay, wow, minus comes means here also, where is it? It is minus. Yes, here minus. Wait. Minus. Here also minus. Yes, ma'am. Here plus. What is the date? Okay, Gana? Yes, note it down, Gana. This is the answer. Okay, can we go next question? What is the time, class time? Okay, thank you. We will see continue next class from question number 8 or 9. What is that? Next question. Eighth question on. We will see next class. Thank you.